doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, guys, welcome back. Guys, today's video, I am going to show you how to create a inexpensive, beautiful tablescape using blush pink, okay? So let's get started. Okay, loves, I'm going to start off with the sequence runner. Now, this sequence runner, I believe I purchased online at either eFavorMart or Tablecloth Factory. In any event, I will leave everything, a link to everything, down in my description box if you're interested. Now, also, for my place setting here, I have this silver, I believe they call it a Reef Charger. And this Reef Charger, ooh, I've been had it for a while now, about a year I guess. And I purchased this from Walmart. I believe it came in a pack of 6 if I'm not mistaken. Okay. And next here, I have these beautiful plates in blush pink. And these beautiful plates, guys, came from HomeGoods. It was a pack of 4 for $7.99. Let you see it on that side. And I think they were absolutely gorgeous. It was exactly what I was looking for. And also, I went ahead and picked up these salad plates as well. And they were $2.99 for a 4-pack. Okay. Next here, I have this beautiful, I don't know if it's a bowl or not, but I found it like in the same section in HomeGoods. And they're iridescent bowls. And they're shaped like a, I would guess, a sunflower. And this one is in the color of pink. It's a real soft, pretty pink. And I thought they were absolutely beautiful. And right here, as you can see, I have my pink satin napkin. And I bought this online as well. And I have a table runner that matches it as a set, okay? So, but I'm using the blush pink sequence runner with these napkins. Now, I have conformed my napkins to look like bunny ears, okay? Just put a little playfulness to the table and add a little of the spring Easter element to it. I've been seeing a lot of people folding napkins like this, but not like the way I have it. So I've made my own little way of making my bunny ears with my napkins. And I think it's absolutely so adorable, okay? Now, the silverware is from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to move the camera up so you can see the bunnies. Those are the bunnies right there, guys. And as you can see, they are some huge bunnies. And they what I'm using for my centerpiece. I found this at HomeGoods as well. It was $29.99. And for the size and that you get 2 bunnies and the basket, I thought was a really, really good deal, okay? So the mom bunny, she's handing her little daughter a speckled egg. And they have in between them the speckled eggs in the basket here. And I thought that was just super duper cute, okay? Now, my eggs are from the Dollar Tree. I already had those in the blush pink and in the glitter pink. Okay. Also, on my place setting here, I'm going to show you real quick. I decided, since I wasn't using flowers because I have those big bunnies as my centerpiece, I would use these little flowers right here. And I just set those on the side of my place settings. Okay. So now I'm going to go around and show you each color of these bowls. Now this one is like a cream colored one. And that's in iridescent as also. And then we have this one over here. It's like a tannish color in iridescent. It's absolutely beautiful. And over here, guys, I have the really soft, pretty green. And for my glasses, I'm going to take you back over here. These glasses are actually goblets, and they're Meridian. And also, they're by Shannon Crystal, and that's by Goldinger. And they are called balloon goblets, and they are 19-ounce goblets. And it was it came in a 4-pack, and I ordered these online too off of Amazon. And I read the reviews on these glasses, and it wasn't very good. They were saying that some people received theirs cracked. The quality wasn't good. They were very thin. But, I went on and tried them for myself just to see. And they're in the blush pink color as well. Guys, I absolutely love them. To me, that's how you can tell the clarity of them. They are beautiful. I love them. And I'm glad mine didn't come broken all up. And I'm glad I didn't listen to the reviews, because I absolutely am enjoying them. Okay. So guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I gave you some inspiration and some ideas for this spring tablescape in blush. Remember, guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, and please share the video. And if you're not already a family member of the Diva family, please consider subscribing so you can see more content like this. Okay? Until next time, guys. Bye-bye, my loves.